Viral style content doesn't have to take hours to create. AI can turn simple ideas into engaging videos within minutes. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Steve AI, then access the platform and select the text-to-clip feature to start your project. Now focus on your idea. Write a clear and creative prompt describing a fun baby scene, such as playful actions, expressions, or unexpected moments that make the video entertaining. Adjust settings like duration and aspect ratio depending on where you plan to post the video, ensuring it fits perfectly for Reels or short-form content. Once everything is set, submit your request and let the AI process it. In a short time, the platform generates a complete animated video based on your concept with smooth visuals and engaging motion. The result feels dynamic and ready for social media. After generation, simply download the video and share it instantly. This approach makes creating viral-style content quick, creative, and accessible without any editing experience.